Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building flavor at the base. Add chicken, chopped aromatics, and 8 cups stock into the instant pot. Use low-sodium stock so you can control seasoning later. Once loaded, sprinkle salt and pepper and tuck in a bay leaf to release background herb notes during pressure cooking. Make sure chicken pieces are partially submerged for even heat transfer. Secure the lid and set the valve to sealing. This creates a tight environment, so collagen and flavor extract quickly into. You pressure cook to extract rich broth and tenderize chicken efficiently. Set manual/pressure cook for 10 minutes and allow a 10-minute natural release so temperature drops gradually and juices stay put. Once you open the lid, transfer chicken to a bowl and shred with 2 forks. This gives better texture than chopping. Discard the bay leaf. If the broth tastes flat, use sauté for a few minutes to concentrate flavors and evaporate excess liquid. Make sure to skim foam if it appears on the surface. You finish by adding 6 Oz egg noodles and returning the shredded chicken to the hot broth so the pasta cooks in flavorful liquid for about 3 to 4 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Once noodles are tender, taste and brighten with 1 tablespoon lemon juice and chopped parsley. These lift the soup and balance richness. Make sure to adjust salt and pepper at the end because reduction concentrates salt. If something goes wrong, here's a quick tip. Simmer uncovered to thicken, or dilute with water and add a potato to absorb excess salt.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.